Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the right terminal and the matching die on the crimper. This matters because fit determines electrical and mechanical integrity. Once done, strip about 4 to 6 millimeters of insulation. Make sure not to cut strands. Feed the conductor fully into the terminal so the copper meets the barrel. Then position the insulation under the insulation crimp zone. Apply steady pressure. Squeeze until the tools stop or handle touch, because a consistent crimp form prevents failures. Next, you secure the connection with proper force. If you have a ratcheting crimper, close it until it releases. This ensures consistent compression. Make sure the conductor sits centered in the barrel. Visual inspection helps catch stray strands that cause shorts. Check the crimp profile and indent depth against a good sample. An undercrimp slips and an overcrimp can break wires. If you plan to use heat shrink tubing, position it before crimping, then heat after to seal and strain relieve the joint. To finish, verify the connection both mechanically and electrically. Perform a moderate pull test. If the wire slips, you failed. Then use a multimeter to check continuity and low resistance. Make sure values match expectations for that gauge. Trim and re-terminate if you find frayed strands or an insufficient crimp. If insulation melted, replace terminal and examine heat application. One key troubleshooting tip: if crimps are loose, swap to the exact die size and use a fresh terminal. Improper die fit is the most common cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.